Okay, how to ease the itching, part 1. You get a vacuum cleaner, and there we have the vacuum cleaner. You have a foot in plaster with a lot of skin that's building up. Say hello, foot. There you go. And we need an operator. Where's he gone? Where you gone?
Go home.
And here we have the vacuum operator. So you turn on the vacuum and proceed to suck anything out the back of the foot. Ow, me toes! Ow! Bugger! Put it down the back. Can you get anything? Owie! Ooh! Ah! As you can see, this is a painless operation. Oh! Right. Oh! Ow! Hey! Get me big toe out of there, you bugger. Anyway, ow! Anyway, that's enough of that. So, bye for everybody. That's how to clear out your plaster, part 1. Bye.